So happy International Yoga Day to all. Today we are celebrating 7th International Yoga Day. And this is the longest day of the year, 21st June. So before I start my session, let me brief you about yoga. What is yoga? Yoga derives from a Sanskrit word yuj. That means union. The union of body, mind and the breath. A higher definition of yoga where we say this is the real definition, the union of individual consciousness to the universal consciousness. But here we are talking about the union of body, mind and the breath. Nowadays we see there is no harmony in these three. Bodies are somewhere else, mind is thinking something else, so the breath is disturbed completely. When there is no harmony in these three, there we need a union, yoga. So yoga teaches you to be in union, and when you are in union, you are completely happy. So why this union is very important nowadays? So this is the reason I told you that to be healthy and to be protected from any virus and bacteria, keeping our immunity strong, we need to be in this union. Actually, yoga is for everybody and for every body. If you are the one who's looking for physical well-being, physical fitness, looking good physically, yoga is for you. Yoga fulfills your demand. If you are the one who's looking for mental well-being, where you are looking for some emotional balance, then yoga is for you, because yoga is a great remedy for stress management, anxiety relief and depression. And if you are the one who's looking for spiritual benefits, then yoga is for you, because yoga takes you to the self-realization. So actually yoga fulfills everyone's demand. That is the reason everyone should practice yoga in today's situation where we have the COVID virus active and many variants are active nowadays. So we can't put the vaccine for every variant. There will be 1,000 variants of the virus, right? But what we need to do, we need to make ourselves strong. That is the reason we need to practice yoga. So in my today's session, the topic is your breathing practices and pranayama practices, and also a YogaNidra practice for COVID prevention, management and post-healing. So we start here our session. Hope everyone is there. So you just sit comfortably. You can sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana or just simple cross-leg. The only thing you need to keep your spine straight, your back straight. We say if your spine is straight, the energy flow goes directly to your brain. But if the straw is tilted, the energy or the same like when we drink the water doesn't go straight. The same way we need to keep our spine straight to flow the energy nicely towards the head area. So let's sit comfortably with our spine straight. Shoulders little pushed back, chest little up, hands in mudra comfortably placed on your knees, a beautiful smile on the face. Let's just observe our breath. 3 times we are going to inhale first through the nose and exhale through the mouth by making a spout, how we just do the food from the mouth, a little opening. One more time, breathe in, exhale through the mouth slowly and longer. One more time, breathe in fully and breathe out through the mouth. So the first breathing we are going to practice here is yogic breath. What is yogic breath and why do we need to practice it? Actually nowadays, 90% people don't know how to breathe properly. We all are breathing shallow, half. But how we need to breathe? We need to breathe deeply. Yoga teaches you how to breathe deeply. So we have a yogic breath for that. So we need to divide this breath in three parts: abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, and clavicular breathing. So I'll start with abdominal breathing. So you need to keep your palms on your tummy first to feel the breath initially. So first you start inhaling through the nostrils and feel your stomach, your abdomen is bulging out and you're filling in fully. Actually, air is not going in your stomach or in your abdomen. It is just reaching to the lower part of your lungs and the diaphragm pushing your stomach out. Now you're going to retain it for a while, for a few seconds, and exhale through the mouth. Longer. Once again, breathe in, fill in the breath, only in the abdomen, let it bulge out nicely. Feel it, it's bulging out nicely. And you exhale through the mouth slowly, as if there is a straw in your mouth and you're exhaling. One more time. Breathe in, fill in the breath, fill in, fill in, fill in, fill in. And breathe out through the mouth. This is very effective breathing for oxygen level, which is nowadays everyone is saying increasing oxygen in the blood. If you practice only the abdominal breathing, even in the lying down position, if you can't sit, it has lot of benefits. Now we are going to do thoracic breathing, keeping both the parts on the chest, both the palms on the chest. Now you are going to fill in the breath in the chest area, in your thoracic part. Feel this part is rising up nicely as you breathe in. Just give a pause to the breath and you exhale through the mouth or through the nose, whatever way you feel comfortable. A longer exhalation. Once again, breathe in, fill in the part. We are preparing our body for rest of the session with this breathing. And exhale. One more time, fill in the breath in the thoracic part. And exhale. Now, keeping the palms on the shoulder area, and we are going to practice clavicular breath. So we need to feel our shoulder. When we breathe in, shoulder should go back, shoulder should be pushed back. So let's breathe in first and feel it with the palms, that shoulders are pushing back. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. And once it is complete, then exhale same way, either through the mouth or nose. Once again, breathe in. A beautiful smile, a peaceful smile, celebrating health today as a yoga day. One more deep breath in. Feel your shoulder part, collarbone getting pushed back nicely, filling, and exhale, relax. So we divided the yogic breath in three parts. Now we are going to combine it. So how to combine? You keep your hands in mudra first. So just feel when you inhale your breath, you're going to take first in the abdomen. Let your abdomen bulge out when you breathe in. Then spread it in the chest area, thoracic part. Then fill it in the clavicular part, shoulder part. Give a little pause and you exhale through the mouth or through the nose. But first you will take it out from the abdomen, then from the chest and from the shoulder part. Let's do it once again. Breathe in, fill in the breath in the abdomen, chest, shoulders, a pause. Exhale in the same sequence, first from the abdomen, chest and the shoulders are coming back to normal. Let's practice 3 more times. Breathe in, fill in the breath in the abdomen, then thoracic cavity, and then the shoulder part. Give a pause. Exhale slowly through the mouth or the nose. Same sequence, first releasing from abdomen, then the chest, then the shoulder part. Now you must be thinking how to take this breath in day-to-day life. When you practice 15 to 20 minutes every day, you will feel without knowing, or you are just breathing deeply, nicely. using 3 parts, because it will come in your habit when you practice every day, twice a day, at least 15 minutes. This can be practiced in lying down position. Bend your knee, keep your palms on your tummy, and you can practice one of the breathing like abdominal breathing, thoracic, or you can combine the 3. So now I'm going to join my palms in Anjali Mudra. Let's do our Shanti mantra. And I'm going to combine 3 sounds in one breath, which is the universal sound, the primary sound, A, U, and Ma. So first I'm going to breathe in with my full yogic breath, first in my abdomen, then in the chest, then in the shoulders. And I'm going to do the 3 sounds in one breath. Let's do once again. Breathe in using 3 parts, full yogic breath. And let's do 3 sounds in one breath. One more time. Breathe in using 3 parts. Shanti, 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 Yoga. Exhale, go down, surrender to the mighty God, Mother Earth, and your teacher. Breathe in slowly, come up, everyone, relax. Keeping the arms down, open your eyes. Feel the vibration of mantra throughout the body. Whenever we start any pranayama practice, any breathing techniques, we need to calm down ourselves first. Then only we should start these practices. So first we start with our Prastika Pranayama, bellows breath. So we'll do it with 5 variations. The first we are going to do with our right nostril. So what you need to do, you need to close your left nostril like this, with using your left hand index finger and the thumb touching here on your Vishuddhi chakra. Now using other hand, which is your right hand, I'm just opening my right nostril and doing only with the right. So breathe in, as I breathe in, inhale, and as I breathe out, with little force, not too much. If you are having any heart problem, any high blood pressure, any glaucoma problem, or any recent surgery, do very, very slowly. Don't put any jerk or any force on your breath. Let's start. If you don't have any problem, you can do with little force. Breathe in. 20 down. I'm done with my tummy breath. With my right nostril, feel as if the right side of the respiratory system, the tract, the nasal passage is completely open and free to breathe in and out nicely. Let's do left side now, using the right hand index finger closing the right nostril, the right thumb in the center of the throat. I'm going to raise my left hand up, breathe in. If you are doing very slow, just do this way where you just breathe in and breathe out, but no force. As I said, yoga is for everyone, for everybody and everybody. So you can do some variations. So this pranayama is not bad at all for the heart people, whoever is having high blood pressure. But you have to do it very slowly. Let's do 20 rounds. Now feel both the channels, right and the left, completely open. Both the nadis, ida and pingla. Both the sides of the brain, right and the left, completely open with no blockages. Let's do with both the hands now. Raise both the hands now, keep both the nostrils open. Now breathe in. As you breathe in, raise your arms up. As you breathe out, take them back. 20 rounds. Relax everyone. Just keep your hands in mudra, Jnana mudra, in chill mudra. Feel the effect of the breathing, the post effect. The chest is completely warmed up. This breathing energizes you nicely. If you do it in the morning when you feel lazy or lethargy, you can practice this breathing to keep yourself energized and charged. Let's do the next variation of the same breathing. Keeping the hands like this, I'm making a fist by keeping my thumb inside, 4 fingers wrapping around, keeping here on my chest. Now I'm going to breathe in, up. As I breathe out, I'm going to put them down like this. So breathe in and, but same as I said, if you have any heart problem, high blood pressure, any recent surgery, do it very slowly. Done with 20 rounds, relax. Relax for 5 deep breaths. With a beautiful smile on your face throughout the class, throughout the session. If you smile, your mind gets a message that this person is happy. Even if you don't want to smile, you don't feel like smile. Artificially smile, but keep a smile on your face. Then it will convert in a natural smile in a few seconds. The smile of blessings and the gratitude. Let's do our next variation of the same breathing, where you just make a fist same way and you separate your arms, open your chest fully, pushing your shoulders back. Here you breathe in completely. As you breathe out with little force, close them. This is a very good breathing to increase your lung capacity. Let's do it 20 rounds. Breathe in. Relax. Why do we practice this breathing in the starting? Because if your nostrils are clean, your this respiratory tract is clean, then you can do rest of the pranayama nicely. That is the reason I did it first. Relax for 5 deep breaths. Until your breath becomes normal, relaxing, hands in mudra, back straight, with a beautiful smile on the face. We do one more variation of this breathing, where we just make all the fingers together, keep all the fingers together like this, and you're going to keep it on the shoulders like this. So here you breathe in, and as you breathe out, you just open your arms. I'll just show you. Inhale, same 20 breath. Relax. This is a very nice warm-up for your elbow and the shoulders also. Relax. Once you feel completely relaxed, let's start with our some breathing exercises by using some movement of the hands. So these breathing practices can be done in a standing position also. If you feel like standing, stand up and do it. Or you can do in sitting position. In this position, or I'm going to come in Vajrasana position. You can sit in Vajrasana and you can do, if you have any knee problem, don't sit in Vajrasana. You can be in a standing position, even you can do on the chair also. So here, you are going to take both the arms together in front of your chest. You can be in a standing position also. Now you breathe in. As you breathe in, you open your chest, open your arms nicely. Push your arms little back. Breathe in, give a pause, and as you exhale very slowly with a low pitch humming bee or Bhramari sound if possible to lengthen or to give the length to your exhalation. First inhale. Breathe in fully, nicely. And as you breathe out, synchronize your breath with the movement. A pause after exhalation and after inhalation both. Now inhale, third round. And do your humming bee breath or Bhramari little if possible, otherwise you can breathe out normally. Fourth round, breathe in, fill in the breath nicely. Breathe out. One more round last. Breathe in fully. Let's completely synchronize movement with the breath. Relax your hands down. If you have practiced first time this kind of breathing, you might have a little pain in your arms, but it is just temporary. It will go off in 2 to 3 minutes only. Just relax. Take 3 deep breaths to relax yourself. Feel the relaxation of your shoulders, relaxation of your entire both arms. Let's do the next breathing exercise, which is hands in and out breathing. So you interlock your fingers, keeping on your chest, and as you breathe in, you're going to stretch both the arms in front of your chest. And as you breathe out, you can breathe out normally, but to give the length, to give the more, exhalation, then you can add your humming deep breath or Bhramari. Back on your chest, take a pause and again breathe in, filling the breath nicely in your lungs as you stretch your arms. Give a pause and start exhaling. Take a pause, again breathe in, we do 3 rounds. Give a pause after breathing in and start. Relax. Keep your palms back on the next one. Just relax and feel your breath, feel your heartbeat. With the closed eyes and a beautiful smile on your face. Let's do the next practice where we raise the arms over the forehead. So breathe in, stretch your arms in front of your forehead. Now more length to the breath, and as you exhale, the more slow you take your hands back, the more slow you breathe out, and the more you exhale, the more you have a place in your lungs to breathe in. Second round, breathe in. One more, breathe in. Relax, keep your palms back on your chest, do not drop them. Just observe your breath, your heartbeat, with a beautiful smile on your face. Let's do the third practice, which is over the head, vertical level. So you breathe in, you're going to stretch your arms over the head, exactly. And as you breathe out, come back. Take at least 10 seconds to come back. Initially it will not happen, but if you practice every day, you can do even 15 seconds, not even 10, more than that. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. Complete sync of the breath and movement. Now you can relax your arms down and relax yourself. These are all breathing practices which we are doing very good to strengthen your immunity. Let's do the next one. For this, you need to come on your knees if possible and keeping your palms down, and we add a spinal movement with the breathing. So as you breathe in, you're going to stretch your head up and back, dropping the back nicely. Inhale, and as you exhale, same way, very slowly. So you're rounding up your spine and pushing the head down. If you have any neck pain, cervical, don't do too much movement of your head. Breathe in, stretch your head up, and as you exhale, two more times. Breathe in, keep closed, smile on your face. Feel the movement of your back, your spine with the breath. Last round. Breathe in. Synchronize your breath with the movement. Relax. Come back to Vajrasana position if possible. If not possible, you can be in the cross-leg position or however you are sitting. Just relax. Next breathing we are going to practice is moon breathing. For this you need to be preferably in Vajrasana if you can sit. Then hold your right wrist with the left hand. As you breathe in, open your chest nicely, look up. And as you breathe out, same way, the humming deep breath, Bhramari, with the synchronization, movement and the breath. Completely down if possible. If you have a big tummy, you will feel little uncomfortable doing this breathing. But in that case, you can open your leg little and you can go down. Or you can go half. Keep doing. We'll do 5 more rounds of this breathing. Very relaxing with closed eyes, smile on your face. Feel that sound of the Bhramari in your head area. Let's do it. Breathe in, fill it nicely. As you breathe out. Take a pause once you reach down. Again, breathe in, lift your body up. And as you breathe down, go down. Fourth round, breathe in. While lifting up, you're breathing fully. And as you breathe out, last round, let's make it slow. Breathe in more this time. Slowly come up and relax. Now slowly come back to the comfortable position with your back straight. Sit comfortably. We'll do some pranayama practice. These all were we did breathing exercises to open up the chest and the shoulder area nicely. And we did a lot of stretching also along with the breathing in this. So every day you can practice 2 to 3 times. And if these breathing practices can be practiced with if you are having a post-healing phase of COVID, or if you do it as a prevention. And if you are in position and you have a body pain, then avoid these breathing because this includes a lot of movement. So you can do simple pranayama practices if you are in the COVID situation. So let's start now. We start with pranayama practice. Before that, we just settle down more. Keep your back straight, hands in mudra. Observe your back, your spine. Just wear a beautiful smile on the face. And let's observe the mind for a while before starting the pranayama practice. We need to keep our mind completely relaxed. Just observe the mind for a while. While you're observing the mind with a smile, let's allow all the blessings to fall in the mind. All the blessings in your life. Try to count 10 to 15 blessings. There are 1,000 blessings within your body, within your house, and within the universe. Just count any 10 to 15 blessings and make your smile more brighter and more natural, like a newborn baby. The innocent smile, stress-free smile, thought-free smile, worries-free smile. Keep counting all the blessings. I woke up healthy this morning. I could walk on my feet. I had plenty of water and the food in my house. All 5 elements, Panch Tattva, supporting me all the time. The water, the air which we are breathing in and out, the food coming from Mother Earth, the sun which is fire and the space, everything is supporting us all the time. Count as a blessing everything. feel your mind has become completely quiet now, completely positive when you're counting the blessings. Let's make our heart a grateful heart by pouring the gratitude for each and every blessing in our life. Whatever you counted in the mind, 10 to 15 blessings, let's pour the gratitude to the Creator, to the universe, for each and every blessing in our lives. You will feel now your heart, your mind completely aligned and happy. And now the inner smile is coming, and that is becoming your natural smile on your face. A bright smile, as bright as the sun in the sky this morning. Now with this beautiful smile, hands in mudra, where you're joining the thumb and the index finger, the Jnana mudra, chin mudra, keeping 3 fingers straight on the knees, back straight. First we start with Kapalbhati Pranayama, the skull shining breath, the frontal brain cleansing breath. How to do it? Keep both the palms if you are a beginner. If you have been practicing, you can start right away. Also, if you have a high blood pressure, heart disease, any recent surgery, any eye pressure, do Kapalbhati very slowly. Actually, this is a kriya, not a pranayama in yogic literature, and this is a very good practice to cleanse your lower respiratory system. So let's do it, and very good for the COVID patients. Whoever is having COVID this time can practice Kapalbhati slowly. Even it is good for prevention and post healing both. So let's start. Breathe in first with both the nostrils, and as you breathe out, give a little strong. When you exhale, you should pull your stomach in with little force. If you do 30 to 40 rounds, then automatically you will feel it is happening. Let's practice. First we practice 30 rounds, slowly. If you are a complete beginner, you can keep your palms to feel if your stomach is going in with every exhalation. Most important to keep a smile on the face during the Kapalbhati Pranayama, because it automatically puts a stress on the face, so you need to be aware about that stress. Relax after 30 rounds of Kapalbhati. You can practice up to 5 rounds of 30. And another benefit of Kapalbhati Pranayama is when we give the strokes, there is a Nadi chakra or navel chakra which gets activated, and there are 72,000 nerves connected to our navel. So when we give the strokes, all the nerves which is going to the eyes, ears, brain, heart, somewhere in the legs, all gets activated, and all the blockages are open. That is the reason Kapalbhati is very good. But if you have a back pain, you can keep your hips little elevated, sitting on a cushion, pillow, or in a yoga block. Then you will not have a back pain. But if you have a severe back pain, avoid this pranayama. Let's do the second round of our Kapalbhati, 30 breath. if your high blood pressure is controlled with the medicine, you can practice Kapalbhati slowly, very slowly. I'll show you the slow version right now. With a low intensity strokes and with a little space, little gap of the time, not fast one. Even if you have any lung infection right now, you can practice slowly. Don't do the fast way. Relax after 30 rounds. For 3 deep breaths, relax with a smile. Let's do the third round now. 30 breath again. Relax. 3 deep breaths. Whenever you're ready to the fourth round of 30. Relax. If you are just starting this pranayama, complete beginner, don't do even 5 rounds, just start with 2 to 3 rounds only. And slowly you can increase every day one round. Let's do the last round now. Relax. Completely relax. 5 deep breaths. Next we are going to practice is Surabedi Pranayama. These all pranayamas are very good, which I'm teaching now for COVID patients, especially the currently if you're having COVID problem, your report is positive, you can practice Kapalbhati slowly and this next pranayama, Surabedi Pranayama. What is Surabedi? Surya means sun, Vedi means piercing. So activating, piercing or activating. So you're activating the sun within you, the energy within you. Very good in the COVID situation, even good for the post-healing, and prevention also can be done. But in the post-healing, more than Surabedi Pranayama, we can do Nadi Shodhana. So I'm going to teach you next after this. First we do Surabedi Pranayama. So keeping your left hand in mudra, right will go up, and you're going to close your left nostril with the right hand. So you keep your 2 finger index in the middle center of your eyebrows, and with other 2 finger, which is little and the ring finger, you're going to close your left nostril and you're going to Inhale through the right nostril, slowly, slowly, probably in 4 seconds, counting 4 in the mind, slowly, slowly. And after inhaling completely through the right nostril, close the right nostril with the thumb and open the left and exhale with the left nostril. So generally in my classes, I suggest exhaling through the silent humming bee or Bhramari or low pitch Bhramari to exhale more. So you can do any way which suits you, the normal breathe out or with Bhramari. So let's do now the second round where you breathe in through the right, slowly, slowly, in 4 seconds. Then close the right nostril and exhale through the left. Again, inhale through the right. So inhalation only right, exhalation only left. Fill in the breath completely, then close this nostril, open the left and exhale very slowly. Breathe in through the right, slowly, slowly. Breathe out through the left, slowly, slowly. Try to breathe out longer, slowly, with the control over your breath. That is the definition of Pranayama, the control over prana, over your life force. Again, inhale through the right and exhale through the left, slowly, slowly. Two more rounds. Breathe in through the right, slowly, slowly. And exhale through the left, slowly, slowly. One more. Breathe in. You can be more slow. The more slow you do, the more effective it is. Take 4 to 5 seconds to breathe in or inhale. Give a pause and exhale 8 to 10 seconds. Relax. Keep your hands back down on the knee in the mudra. Relax for 3 breaths with a smile. Next we are going to practice is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So left hand in mudra, same way you are going to use your right hand, 2 finger index in the middle, keeping in the center of the eyebrows, and thumb closes your right nostril. Now we will do alternate nostril breathing, but we will do very, very slowly with a pause. So this is very good for the post healing. So the COVID patient can avoid this, and instead of this can do the Surya Vedi which I just showed with the right nostril where you inhale through the right and exhale through the left. But in the post healing and the prevention, this is very good. So form a mudra in your hand, then we just do it. Inhale through the left, slowly, slowly. We start with the left, inhale through the left. Same way, 4 seconds to 5 seconds inhaling. Then close this left nostril, give a little pause, 1 or 2 seconds, and exhale through the right, slowly. You can add silent Bhramari or humming bee to increase your exhalation. Then inhale through the right. Give a little pause, exhale through the left. Very slowly, very, very slowly. There shouldn't be any sound of the breath. Very slowly, breath is going in and out. Then again inhale through the left nostril. 4 to 5 seconds. And exhale slowly. through the right nostril. Inhale through the right again, very slowly, very slowly. Take your time. Give a pause. Exhale through the left, slowly, slowly. Breathe in through the left nostril, slowly, slowly. Give a pause. Exhale through the right, slowly, slowly. Take more time to exhale. The exhalation should be double from the inhalation. Now let's do the last round where you inhale through the right. Give a pause and exhale through the left. Take your time in exhalation. And you release your hand down. Relax for a while. Beautiful spine, feeling the post effect of the breathing. Mind has become completely relaxed and quiet, with less thoughts or no thoughts probably. Let's practice the last pranayama, then we'll do the YogaNidra practice. So for this, we are going to do the Bhramari with Shanmukhi mudra. So we need to form a mudra. So for this mudra, you need to take your index finger, keeping on your eyelid as if you are closing your eyes, with the one finger which is your index, but make sure you're not pressing your eyelids, you're not pressing on the eyes, just touching the point. And the middle finger closing your nostrils, partially, not fully, because you are going to breathe in through the nostrils. And the ring finger on your upper lip, and the little finger on your lower lip, and the thumb closes your ears. You will breathe in fully through the partially open nostrils, and you will breathe out with the sound of a bee. Bhramari sound. We'll do this breathing 5 times. Let's do it. Inhale through the partially open nostrils. Relax your hands down. Feel the post effect of the pranayama. Bhramari with Shanmukhi mudra. 6 gates which you closed with this pranayama. And you're feeling your mind has become completely relaxed. This is very good for stress management, this breathing, and also good for the anxiety problem. Let's maintain this relaxation in the mind. We lie down on our back, get ready for YogaNidra practice. Everyone, lie down on your back. You can lie down on the floor. You can be on the bed. If you're on the bed, lie down on your bed. Make sure you don't keep any cushion under your head. No pillow under your head. Just lie down completely flat on the floor or on your bed. Keep your palms open towards the ceiling, leg apart, fingers partially closed, neck tilted to either side or straight. Keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. Do not move your body once you settle down. Do not move your eyeballs. Be completely still for a while and observe the stillness head to the toes. Let's collapse the entire back on the floor, collapse the shoulders on the floor. Be completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. Loosen up entire body on the floor. Surrender entire weight to the gravity. Now let's start with the scanning of the body, scanning of each and every joint. When we focus on every part, that part is relaxing and the healing energy is more there in that part. So let's start with the right leg. Relax your right leg toes. Release all the stress from the toes. The right leg ankle, right heel, right leg calf muscles, the right knee, right leg thigh. Let's relax the left leg now. The left leg toes, ankle, left heel, calf muscles, left knee, left thigh, both legs completely relaxing. Let's relax the abdomen, the lower abdomen, the pelvic muscles, the pelvis. Let's relax the upper abdomen. Let's relax the chest, the thoracic muscles, the cardiac muscles inside. The heart is relaxing. Relax your shoulders, elbows, wrist, all the fingers, finger joints of your right hand. Relax your right hand completely from shoulder joint to the tip of the fingers. Let's relax the left hand now, the left hand fingers, left hand wrist, elbow, left shoulder. Let's relax the back side of the neck, which is connected to the shoulders. The upper back, the cervical spine relaxing. The middle back relaxing. Lower back relaxing. The tailbone, the lower spine relaxing. With no tightness touching the floor. Let's relax the back side of the head, which is touching the floor. The upper head, the forehead. Relax your both the eyes, the eyelids, eyebrows. Feel the gentle touch of your eyelids to the eyeballs. Sharpening your awareness by feeling this touch. Relax your nose, nostrils. Relax your lips with a beautiful smile on the face. Relax your jaws, upper jaw, lower jaw, teeth within, and the tongue relaxing inside in the lower palate. Relax all the facial muscles, relax your ears. Again, observe your entire body, head to the toes, toes to the head, completely relaxed. Let's take the attention now to the breathing after relaxing the body, the physical body. Let's relax the pranic body, observing the breath in the abdomen area. With every breath in, abdomen seems to be rising up. With every breath out, sinking down. Observing the breath in the abdomen without any efforts, just observing the natural normal breath and counting 10 breath in backward counting in backward direction. 10, 9, 8 like this. But make sure you don't make your breath fast or slow. Don't put any efforts. Let it be natural. Observe it and count 10 breaths. In and out will be one breath. Focus, no distraction in the mind. Away from all the distraction, just counting the breathing in the abdomen area. Let's move the focus now slowly to the chest area. Observe the movement of the chest, the expansion of the rib cage. With every inhalation, the rib cage is expanding. With every breath out, it is contracting. Observing these movements and counting 10 breaths here at your thoracic part, at your chest part. Make sure you are completely focused on the count. In and out will be one breath. After observing the 10 breath at the chest area, let's move to the throat area. Let's bring our awareness to the throat. Observe the breath in the throat area. With every breath in and out, you feel a gentle sound of the breath, a hissing sound, a natural sound of the breath, which you are not producing. It is just happening. You are observing 10 breaths at the throat area with full focus. After observing 10 breaths at the throat, let's move our awareness to the nostrils. Observe the gentle touch of the air at the tip of the nose or a gentle touch of the air at the walls of the nostrils. With every breath in and out, feel the difference in the warm and the cool air. When you are inhaling, the cool air going inside, feel that gentle touch of the cool air at the tip of the nose. When you are exhaling the warm air. Keep feeling this touch and count 10 breaths here. After counting 10 breaths at the tip of the nose, feel your breath has become complete, deep, rhythmic and soft. You are relaxed at your pranic level. When body and breath both are relaxed, the mind becomes relaxed automatically. The mind has a very close connection with your breath. When your breath is slow and deep, the mind has less thoughts or no thoughts. Let's observe the relaxation of the mind for a while. What's going on in the mind? Is it relaxed completely or still there are thoughts coming and going? Let's be observer of the mind and the thoughts. Once you start observing your mind, you feel it has become conscious and the thoughts have started settling down like the waves in the sea. And you will find your mind completely relaxed in a few seconds. Keep observing. Now, just imagine or visualize your body is lying under the tree. On the green grass, you can feel the cooliness of the grass on your body. You can feel the cooliness, the touch of the air on the sole of the feet. You can feel the gentle touch of the wind on your cheeks. You can feel the touch of the wind on your head, the top of the head. And you can see the wide blue sky over your head, which is limitless, infinite sky. And you can hear the sound of the birds chirping around. And you're feeling completely relaxed, enjoying the view of the sky, the infinite sky, the vast blue sky. This is your universal consciousness form, where the individual consciousness merges to the universal consciousness and becomes one. When you gaze the sky, the blue sky, you're merging yourself in the sky and feeling that infinity, that expansion of your self. You're not this body, you're not this mind, you're not this breath, but you're limitless, you're infinite. Like a sky, there is no limit, there is no ending. Enjoy this blissful moment. Be in the silent and do your affirmation. Say inside in your mind, I am completely happy. I am completely healthy. I am full of positivity. Repeat several times with full focus using all five senses. These three words inside. Let your subconscious mind feed it in the memory. These three words. Keep repeating. Slowly coming back to the physical awareness, getting aware about your body, lying on the floor, lying on the bed, completely relaxed. Observe the surroundings, the four walls, ceiling, the noises coming from your room or outside the room, getting aware about everything. Giving a little movement to the toes, then the fingers of your hands, then the head moves right to left. Stretch your both the arms over the head, stretch your both the legs down, stretch yourself nicely, entire body, and as and when you feel comfortable, turn to the side and come in the sitting position slowly. Once you're coming in the sitting position, join your palms nicely. Keep them together. Feel the energy between the palms. Let's do the prayer for well-being of entire universe, for good health and happiness with this Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Take a slow, long, deep breath in. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. Look up and say, go down, surrender to Almighty God, Mother Earth, and Master. Slowly come up, rub your palms, everyone, make them warm, feel the energy within the palms. Then form a cup with the palms and keeping on your eyes. Feel the energy going in your eyes. Eyes are absorbing all the warmth. Then sliding the palms on the head, giving the energy to the head. And slowly release your hands and you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile. So we are done with our session. So if you have any query, any question related to this session, you can put it in the comment box. as in when I get time, I'm going to reply for those questions. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone. Keep practicing yoga every day and keep smiling.